Flower Mound, Texas, is the perfect location for enhancing your outdoor spaces with top-notch outdoor lighting installation Flower Mound. Our Flower Mound landscape lighting services offer a wide range of options, including garden illumination pathway lights and LED outdoor lights. Whether you're looking to improve security with motion sensor lights or add ambiance with patio lighting, our team has you covered. For those seeking energy-efficient lighting solutions, our LED outdoor lighting installation Flower Mound services provide the perfect blend of style and sustainability. LED lights are not only long-lasting but also consume less energy, making them an ideal choice for both residential and commercial outdoor lighting in Flower Moundj. Our custom lighting design Flower Mound services ensure that your outdoor spaces are both beautiful and functional. Outdoor lighting installation. Flower Mound is essential for safety and aesthetics. Our experts specialize in installing low-voltage lighting Flower Mound, which is perfect for illuminating walkways and driveways. With our driveway lighting Flower Mound services, you can ensure that your property is well lit and welcoming to guests. Accent lighting. Flower Mound is a great way to highlight specific features of your landscape. Whether it's tree uplighting Flower Mound or spotlight services Flower Mound, our team can create stunning visual effects that enhance the beauty of your outdoor spaces. Our floodlight installation Flower Mound services are perfect for those who need powerful illumination for larger areas. For a more eco-friendly option, consider our solar outdoor lighting installation Flower Mound services. Solar garden lights are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying beautiful outdoor lighting. Our wall-mounted lighting Flower Mound options are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home's exterior. Security lighting. Flower Mound is crucial for protecting your property. Our motion sensor lighting Flower Mound services provide an added layer of security by automatically turning on when movement is detected. This not only deters potential intruders, but also provides peace of mind for homeowners. Outdoor lighting installation Flower Mound is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere for outdoor gatherings. Our patio lighting Flower Mound services can transform your outdoor living spaces into inviting areas for entertaining guests. With our poolside lighting Flower Mound options, you can enjoy your pool area even after the sun goes down. Outdoor lighting maintenance. Flower Mound is essential for keeping your lighting systems in top condition. Our team offers comprehensive lighting maintenance services to ensure that your outdoor lights are always functioning at their best. We also provide lighting system upgrades to keep your outdoor spaces up to date with the latest technology. Holiday lighting Flower Mound services are perfect for adding festive cheer to your home or business. Our team can create stunning holiday displays that are sure to impress. Whether you need residential lighting, Flower Mound, or commercial lighting, Flower Mound, we have the expertise to make your property shine.